Chapter 1. Introduction. A new world is being built. Look around you. The physical world we depend on, the power grid supplying energy to homes, the mobile networks connecting us, the supply chains delivering goods, is quietly being rebuilt on the blockchain. This is the DePIN revolution. But who are the giants building this new world? And within the vast context of these giants, where does a project like Hyra fit? Welcome back to the Hyra Deep Dive. Today, we're not doing a one-on-one showdown. We will step back to map the entire DePIN landscape. We will analyze the kings of each major territory: storage, wireless networks, computing, and sensors, and then reveal Hyra's masterstroke. Its unique position not just as another competitor, but as a potential foundational layer that can empower them all. This is a big strategy. Chapter 2. The Four Kingdoms of DePIN. Analysis by sector. The DePIN landscape is not a monolith. It is a world of specialized kingdoms, each with its own ruler. Let's survey the four largest kingdoms. Kingdom No. 1. Decentralized storage. King. Filecoin. File. The undisputed giant of decentralized storage. Mission: to create a decentralized alternative to cloud storage providers like Amazon S3 and Google Drive. Anyone can rent out their spare hard drive space and be fairly compensated in FEL. Strengths: massive network scale, first mover advantage, and a solid economic model. It is the foundation of the permaweb. Analysis: Filecoin excels at cold, long-term storage. However, its core function is simply storage. It is a decentralized hard drive, not a decentralized supercomputer. Kingdom No. 2. Decentralized wireless networks. DY. King. Helium. HNT. The pioneer that brought DePIN into the mainstream. Mission: to build a global peer-to-peer wireless network for both Internet of Things, IoT devices, and mobile 5G, owned and operated by users. Strengths: an excellent token incentive model that jump-started a global network of hotspots at a scale traditional telecom operators can only dream of. Analysis: Helium has proven the DePIN model works at scale. Its main function is to provide connectivity and collect massive amounts of network data. Kingdom No. 3. Decentralized computing. Kings: Render Network, RNDR, and Akash Network, AKT. Mission: as we mentioned in previous deep dive videos, these projects are building decentralized marketplaces for computing power. Analysis: Render is the specialized king of GPU rendering for creators, while Akash is the low-cost king of versatile cloud computing for developers. They are the factories and data centers of the DePIN world. Kingdom No. 4. Decentralized sensor networks. King. Hivemapper, Honey. An excellent and rapidly growing project. Mission: to create a decentralized, continuously updated world map built by contributors using dash cams. It is a decentralized alternative to Google Street View. Strengths: a clear, tangible use case and a smart incentive model that turns daily travel into a money-making activity. Analysis: like Helium, Hivemapper is a master of data collection. It gathers a huge amount of raw data from the physical world. So we have storage, connectivity, computing, and data collection. But what is the missing piece that ties them all together? Chapter 3. The unifying layer. Hyra's Intel Inside strategy. This is where Hyra's unique position becomes clear. Hyra does not try to be a better Filecoin or a new Helium. Hyra's strategy is to become the smart infrastructure layer that makes all other DePIN networks smarter, more valuable, and more automated. Think of Hyra as the Intel Inside of the DePIN economy. Let's consider the synergy. Use Case 1. Hyra as the intelligence layer for storage. A business stores terabytes of encrypted medical research data on Filecoin. That's great for security. But now, they need to run an AI model to analyze that data to discover new drugs. Instead of moving that data to a centralized service like AWS, they can use a Hyra DApp. This DApp calls the Hyra AI network to perform computation directly where the data resides, and the results are posted verifiably on Hyra's Layer 3. Filecoin provides storage. Hyra provides the brain. Use Case 2. Hyra as the coordination layer for DY. A Helium 5G network generates massive real-time data on user density and network traffic. This raw data is valuable but underutilized. This data can be fed into the Hyra AI network. Developers can build models on Hyra to predict future network demand, suggest optimal locations for new hotspots, or even create dynamic on-chain bandwidth pricing models. Helium provides connectivity, Hyra provides intelligence. Use Case 3. Hyra as the verifiable processing layer for sensors. A Hivemapper dashcam collects thousands of raw images. These images need processing to become useful data, identifying new businesses, detecting road damage, analyzing traffic patterns. This massive processing task fits perfectly with Hyra's decentralized computing network. Raw data can be processed by Hyra nodes, and structured results, e.g., pothole at this GPS coordinate, can be verifiably recorded on Hyra's blockchain, creating a trustworthy, auditable data source. Hivemapper collects data. Hyra refines it into valuable information. In every case, Hyra does not compete. It creates. It is the missing piece that adds intelligence and verifiable computation to the raw resources provided by other DePIN projects. Chapter 4. Investment Thesis: Betting on a Sector versus the Backbone. This unique positioning leads to a very different investment thesis. As always, this is not financial advice. Investing in individual DePIN projects like Filecoin, Helium, or Hivemapper is a vertical bet. You are betting that their specific use case, whether storage, wireless, or mapping, will dominate its respective market. If decentralized storage becomes huge, Filecoin wins. If not, it struggles. Investing in Hyra is a horizontal bet. You are betting on the success of the entire DePIN sector. Hyra's success does not depend on any single project winning. Its success is driven by the overall growth of all DePIN networks that will ultimately require a decentralized intelligent layer to process and compute data. You are not betting on a single application. You are betting on the foundational backbone of the entire industry. Chapter 5. Conclusion: The DePIN operating system. So where does Hyra fit in the DePIN landscape? While other giants build specialized kingdoms strong in storage, wireless, and data collection, Hyra is positioning itself to become the universal operating system that unifies them. It provides the missing layers of intelligence, verification, and high-performance transaction processing that can elevate the entire DePIN world from simple resource networks into truly autonomous, intelligent economies. The DePIN revolution needs more than just infrastructure. It needs a smart backbone, and Hyra is building it. If you found this market analysis valuable, please support the channel with a like and subscribe. In the next video, we continue the Showdown series, asking, why is Hyra different from more general blockchain B2B solutions? You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.